Have you ever heard of a hurricane? A tornado maybe? Okay, let's have a quick view of how a tornado forms on Earth. A tornado forms from a large thunderstorm. Inside thunder clouds, warm, humid air rises, while cool air falls, along with rain or hail. These conditions can cause spinning air currents inside the cloud. Although the spinning currents start out horizontal, they can turn vertical and drop down from the cloud, becoming a tornado. Jupiter, the largest planet of the solar system, is magnificent. Not only does it have an effect on other objects in the solar system due to its gravity, but it also has some very interesting phenomena going on. Where? On its surface. Do you know what it is? Yes, you guessed it right. It is the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot that we see on Jupiter is actually nothing but a cyclone. It was first observed in 1831 by the astronomer Samuel Heinrich Schwab. That is how we know that the storm exists for at least 150 years. Although in 1665 the astronomer Cassini might have referred to this red spot when he talked about something called as the permanent storm. Wait a minute, how did he know that it was a storm back then? It is quite a mystery. The Great Red Spot is generally reddish in color, slightly oval in shape, and approximately 16,350 kilometers wide, large enough to engulf Earth after slowly changing its size over the years. And it is twice as strong as one of the biggest cyclones on Earth. Data returned by the Juno mission helped scientists determine that the storm's routes extend at least 200 miles, that is 320 kilometers, into Jupiter's atmosphere. For comparison, a typical tropical cyclone on Earth only extends about 9 miles, that is 15 kilometers, from top of the storm to the bottom. The Great Red Spot moves in longitude with respect to the clouds as Jupiter rotates but remains centered at about latitude 22 degrees south. The Great Red Spot's longevity is explained by the fact that Jupiter does not have a solid surface. Jupiter's sky is 70 kilometers deep and consists of cloud layers made of ammonium ice, ammonium hydrosulfide, or water ice and vapor. It is believed that beneath these layers exists an ocean of liquid hydrogen, and beneath that ocean is the planet's core. On our planet generally, hurricanes start to slow and break apart when they reach solid land, but with nowhere for the Great Red Spot to make landfall, the storm can rage on and on. The spot shrinks and reappears to be growing back and forth over the years. Right now, as of this moment, its trend is that on the side of a shrink. The Voyager spacecraft measured the spot's length at 23,000 kilometers in 1979. Since 2012, it is seen that the spot has become more circular in nature and has been shrinking at a faster rate of about 900 kilometers per year. The entire system rotates anti-clockwise over a period of 7 days. As the storm contracts, it also grows taller and changes color, becoming a more intense orange. Scientists are not sure yet why this is happening, but it could be due to chemical reactions as new material is brought up from below. Through telescopes from Earth, the color of the red spot has been varying from salmon red to more of a grayish shade. The high-resolution spacecraft images have revealed that the pinkish color cloud layer can be due to the high-altitude white clouds, producing a gray impression as seen from our planet Earth. An interesting and peculiar feature about this red spot is that it remains to be intact for a long time. The surface of Jupiter is fluid throughout, It might be that the constant condensation of water or ammonia at its root powers up the hurricane. It might also be that it attracts and merges with smaller eddy cyclones around it. But the exact reason as to how it is powered remains another mystery. Who knows? Maybe in the future, Elon Musk will travel to Jupiter and tell us what it is. Lastly, if you liked the content of this video, please like, subscribe our channel, and we would love to hear more about it in the comments. If you want to learn more about such topics, come watch our own guide to the universe. Click on this video and it will take you right to it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.